Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the question number 6A and B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. So for this, kindly contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238, which is showing on your screen. And if you need any other help related to the studies, you can contact too. Now, the question number 6A is prepare a project work on the topic promoting and providing education by the government. Introduction and relevance of the topic and objectives of the project, scheme started by the government, conclusions, and the question B is prepare a project on blood donation program in your nearby rural areas under the provision of the National Rural Health Mission NRHM. Write down various steps to be taken to organize the program. So these are the two questions we have discussed, and we have prepared all the answers of these assignments in the according to the numbers and the quality wise. So we have now you can buy your assignment in just saying hi and you can if you need a handwritten too, so we will provide handwritten answer also.